In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error 301 quickly and easily. This is a common issue that usually appears when you're trying to make a purchase on Steam, and it can be really frustrating if you don't know what's causing it. The good news is, in most cases, this error is temporary and very easy to resolve. I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to fix it and get back to your purchase without any stress. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you want to completely close Steam. Don't just minimize it or leave it running in the background. Go ahead and exit the app fully. You can right-click the Steam icon in your system tray and click Exit to make sure it's completely shut down. This step is important because it resets any temporary glitches that might be causing the error. Once you've closed Steam, the next step is to simply wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. I know it sounds simple, but Steam error 301 is often related to temporary server or payment processing issues on Steam's side. Giving it a few minutes allows their system to clear any stuck or failed transaction attempts. After waiting, go ahead and reopen Steam. Once it loads up, navigate to your account details. To do this, click on your username in the top right corner, then select Account Details. From there, click on View Purchase History. This section will show you exactly what's going on with your recent transactions. Now, take a close look at your latest purchase attempt. You want to check whether the transaction is marked as pending or failed. If it's still pending, it means Steam is still processing it, and you should avoid making another purchase right away. If it shows as failed, then you're good to try again. At this point, go ahead and attempt the purchase again. But here's something very important. Avoid clicking multiple times or making rapid, repeated attempts. Doing that can actually trigger the error again or even cause temporary payment restrictions. Just try once, wait for the response, and let Steam handle the process. In most cases, this simple reset process fixes Steam error 301 completely. It's usually not a problem with your account or payment method, just a temporary issue on Steam's end. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Steam error 301. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.